Hey there, everyone. How I earned my first 10,000 with affiliate marketing. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is unicorn.in, and today I'm diving into the exciting world of affiliate marketing. Now, you might be asking yourself, can I really earn money with affiliate marketing? And if so, how? Well, stick around because I'm about to share my journey, tips, and tricks that helped me earn my first 10,000 online. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it's a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote someone else's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Think of it like being a digital salesperson without having to handle inventory or customer service. Sounds appealing, right? Now, it all started for me when I stumbled upon a blog post about affiliate marketing. I was skeptical at first. It sounded too good to be true. But I did some research and realized that tons of people were making a great living from it. That's when I decided to take the plunge. The key takeaway here is that if I can do it, you can too. Step 1. Choosing the right niche was pivotal in my journey. I remember sitting down with a list of all my interests: travel, health, tech, you name it. Eventually, I honed in on my passion for personal finance. Why? Because it's a space where I had experience and the products really resonated with me. Remember, choose a niche you love. It'll be easier to create content that feels authentic. So let's talk about content creation. After I figured out my niche, I began creating valuable content: blog posts, videos, social media posts, anything that provided genuine value to my audience. I focused on topics related to budgeting, saving money, and investing, all while subtly integrating my affiliate links. The more value I provided, the more trust I built with my audience. Now here's where it gets interesting. I learned that promoting products I truly believed in and had used before mates. My first big payout came from a budgeting app I genuinely adored. I shared my positive experience and it resonated with my viewers. They trusted my opinion, and that trust translated into sales. Step 3 was all about scaling. Once I found what worked, I reinvested my earnings into ads to promote my content further. Using social media strategies and SEO techniques allowed me to reach a wider audience. I also joined affiliate networks to find more products to promote. Out of the hundreds available, I selected only those that I had faith in. Finally, the most important aspect: patience and persistence. This wasn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It took months of hard work and trial and error, but every click and every sale motivated me to keep going. I learned from my mistakes, adapted my strategies, and over time, I began seeing significant results. So, if you're ready to start your own affiliate marketing journey, I encourage you to begin today. Research, choose your niche, create that fantastic content, and remember to build trust with your audience. It's a rewarding pursuit with the potential for impressive returns. Just stay committed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I've got tons more tips for you on affiliate marketing and online income strategies coming your way. And remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with determination and the right strategies, it's absolutely within reach. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you on your affiliate marketing journey. Link in home description. See you in next video.